So I've just found 7 different websites that you can use to start making easy money from the comfort of your home today. And the last one on the list made me my first $100,000 online. All the websites on this list I've actually used myself, so I know for a fact they do work and how much you can potentially make from this website. Also, they are all 100% online, which means you will never have to step a foot outside of your home. Now, a big disclaimer before we get into the video. I have not been sponsored by any of the companies you are going to see throughout this video. This is through my own research and my own experience delving into different ways of making money on the internet. So without wasting any more time, here are the 7 websites that you can use to start making money online in 2024. The very first website on this list is usertesting.com, and this website allows you to make money by simply reviewing and answering questions about different websites on the internet. And the reason this website exists is because there are different companies out there, different websites that need feedback from people like me and you to ensure their business is running smoothly and error-free. And trust me, when I say they are willing to pay out good amounts of money for this, because the feedback they are getting is going to enable them to make changes and make adjustments to ensure their website and their company is providing the best services. And if you think of it, this is going to enable them make money as well. So that is why they are willing to pay a good amount of money to get this information. So if you go over to their website at usertesting.com, all you simply need to do is to click on where it says start here. And if you do that, it's going to take you to this page, and all you need to do is to click on I want to make money online. And once that is done, you will get presented with numbers of different websites, softwares, and company that you can test out and give your feedback. And once you give your feedback, you will be making money. And so you know you don't need to be tech savvy or know anything about the internet at all, because what you are really going to be doing is simple screen recording, navigating through different websites, basically just testing out the website to make sure everything is working as it should. However, some companies are just going to give you a list of questions that you can just tick off, like multiple choice questions. So basically, this is going to depend on the type of test you receive once you sign up to the website. And so you know you can use any device at your disposal. As you can see right here, you can use PC to do this. You can also use your mobile devices such as iOS and Android to do this. So you literally have no excuse to make money with usertesting.com. Now, as for how much you can make, I know you guys are waiting for this. For each test you take on the website, they are going to pay you an average of $10. And in my personal experience, this test can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to complete. But what I've actually found to be true is that you can actually get paid $30 for each test you take, and this normally range around a half an hour to complete. So just to put this into perspective, you could be making up to $60 for every hour you spend on usertesting.com by just simply answering questions about different websites and companies on the internet. The second website on the list is Listverse.com, and this website is going to pay you to create lists for their website. And this list can be literally about any topic of your choice. You can see right here, 10 unexpected discoveries involving vomit. You can see another one here, 10 little known shifts in computer science. And if you take a look underneath each of these top 10 lists, you can see these lists are from random people, and these people have gotten paid to get their list posted on this website. So this is a passive way to make money online, as you can literally create a list about any topic and submit it over to the website. And once your list is interesting enough, Listverse is going to pay you to post that list on their website. And so you know you don't need to write any article or any blog post or anything like that. Just make a top 10 list about anything you can think of and submit it to the website, and you'll be getting paid. As you can see right here, you can get paid up to $100 for making a list for the website. And as you can see, you don't need to be an expert at all. And that is where writer.me comes in, where you can use this AI tool to generate original and compelling content that sounds like a human and not a robot, as you can see right here. So you can use this tool to create lists from any niche of your choice, and you can just simply submit them over to listverse.com. So let's say just 2 of your list gets approved by listverse.com every single week. That is about $800 every single month in your bank account using this website and this AI tool. And that is a lot of money considering the fact that you don't have to do any hard work yourself. You are simply taking advantage of this AI tool to create content for this website. The third website on this list is going to pay you even more money. All you have to do is to head over to rev.com/freelancers. This website is going to pay you to type out all the content that you are listening to or all the videos that you are watching. So you can literally do this from the comfort of your home, watch a video on this website, type out everything that is being said in that video, and you'll make money from this. If you are watching this video right now, then there is no reason why you shouldn't be able to make money online, because you are literally using one of the 2 senses that is required to make money online, which means if you can see this video right now, or if you are listening to this video right now, then you can make money with this. There is no excuse. Just go over to rev.com/freelancers, scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and as you can see right here, you can sign up to be a transcriptionist, which means all you have to do is to listen to audio files or video files on the website, and you can get paid anywhere from 30 cents all the way up to $1.10 for every audio file per minute. So this means if you listen to an audio file for 30 minutes, you can get paid $30. And the major benefit of this website right here is that you don't have to wait for 1 month or 2 weeks to get paid. You can get paid every single week, as you can see right on the website. And another advantage is that you can do this from the comfort of your home, and you'll be making money online, working at your own time and at your own comfort. The next website on the list is prolific.com. This is simply a research company that pays users to take surveys based on research studies carried out by various universities. And the reason they are willing to pay you to take part in these different surveys and studies is because the information that is gathered on this website drastically helps researchers to advance in various fields that would help advancement of human knowledge. On average, taking surveys from the comfort of your home using this website right here will get you paid anywhere from $6 all the way up to $12 for every task you complete, which is way higher than most websites out there that will not even pay you at all or pay you pennies. This is a good amount to get paid out considering you don't have to leave your home, and the answers that you provide are going to actually contribute towards a good cause. At number 5 is Preply. This website right here is simply a language tutor site that will pay you to teach other people a language that you already know. So let's say, for instance, you knew a language that was in high demand, for instance, Spanish. You could just come over to this website, sign up a brand new account, and they will literally pay you to teach someone Spanish on this website. Now, I'm going to assume most of you guys watching this video right now probably speak English, which will automatically qualify you to make anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour on Preply. And to put this out there, I have done my due diligence. You don't need to have any sort of previous experience or any sort of qualification like that. You can simply go over to the website right now, click on where it says get started, and all you pretty much need is either a mobile phone or a laptop, and you'll be on your way to making upwards of $25 for simply just teaching people a language that you already know. And by the way, while we are on this topic, I want you guys to go over to the comment down below and tell me what language you speak, or if you speak multiple language. Just let me know down in the comment section below. If you do that, you might never know who you might come across in the comment section that speaks the same exact language as you. What if you get paid for doing something a lot easier, like giving advice about something that you care about or something that you have a lot of experience about? At this website, clarity.fm, as you can see right here, this is where people go over to find people or individuals that can give them advice about different things and about different aspects of life that they are interested in. This is the #1 marketplace to come over and get one-on-one advice for various topics that can range from stuff like sales and marketing, social media marketing, public speaking, mental advice, dating, and much more. The things that you can give advice about on this website is pretty much unlimited. So if you have knowledge about anything, you can make money with this site right here. If you take this site seriously, I promise you, this is going to be the easiest money you ever make on the internet. You are literally having just a back and forth conversation with someone, just giving them advice, and you get compensated for this. The average call on this website is around half an hour, and you get paid up to $50 for this. So essentially, this call can get you paid up to $100 for every hour, just speaking with people on the internet and giving them your knowledge and give them your expertise about any topic that you have knowledge in. This is something that I truly believe that anyone can do, as we all have knowledge about something that we can spread and share to others. And on top of that, there is already an abundance of free information on the internet that we can use. You can study and then come back over to Clarity.fm and teach others. So there is so many different opportunities that you can take to make money online using this website. Now, the next website I'm going to show you guys has a very special place in my heart, because this is the website that helped me kickstart my make money online journey. Many of the long-term subscribers of this channel are already going to know the website I'm referring to right now, and that is CPAGrip.com. This is simply a website that allows regular everyday individuals like me and you to literally sign up and start promoting different CPA offers online just with a simple, unique affiliate link. This doesn't require you to have any skills, any prior experience. You don't need to have made certain money online before you join this network right here. You can sign up for 100% free. Once you sign up, you'll be able to get a link and then promote it online to an audience. And once someone signs up using your affiliate link, you will get paid. And this is usually called a lead. This is actually how I made my first $100,000 online. And this is a legitimate business I've been doing on the internet for over the last 5 to 6 years now. And it has made many people multimillionaires. And this is not to intimidate you. This is to let you know CPA marketing is one of the most easiest and the fastest ways to make money online. Any beginner that has asked me how to make money online, I usually tell them to go through this route and tell them to do CPA marketing, because you don't need to show your face. You don't need to create any product. You don't need to do any customer services. All you simply need to do is to sign up to CPA networks like CPA Grip, pick an offer, share your affiliate link on the internet, and you make money. So what I'm going to do right now is leave a video at the top. This video is going to show you step by step how to start CPA marketing as a complete beginner using CPA Grip. This is the exact video I wish someone gave me when I first started out my journey. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about CPA marketing and how to make money with it. So I'm going to leave some videos on the screen right now. This is where I recommend you to start out. And that being said, I hope this video serves its purpose to help as many people out there to start making money on the internet. We are in a digital age right now. We are in the age of AI. It's easier now than ever to make money on the internet. And you guys should be utilizing this website and many more other websites on the internet to make money online. And if you got any value in today's video, make sure that you drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, because I've got many more videos coming your way. So thank you guys for watching.